The lions coming better till the viper scoop. And I do it for the lambs, so the fans when they stand and pick at your hands. In the stands run they brands, plus it's the anthem. The son of man's coming man up and pay the ransom and abandon us. The champion is unanimous. I ain't got the stamina, couldn't handle it. God's plan with an animal of a man, and you can't handle a man, no chance of me. Had no faith, I was panicking. Calamity, fake like mannequin, brain manic, can't manage it. Always so painful, no play, just damaging.
Okay guys, I'm going to test the steering radius by measuring from the back tire to when the back tire crosses the tape over there. Probably not the best measurement, but it'll give a good reference point. So here's stock two-wheel steering turning radius.
I don't know, I mean, it started off super positive, then it just got crazy.
I did not like that at all.
No, Kev. None of us did.
So that's right at, call it 67 3/4 inches. Here's test number 2 with the four-wheel steering upgrade.
And that is how it's done.
Wow. Yeah, it's amazing.
27.5 inches.
27 and a half?